Hello everyone, welcome back to EduHunt video lecture series. In the previous session, we have discussed about general features or general characters of the class Reptilia. How the name came from and what are the unique features of the class Reptilia and what are the common features of Reptilia with other classes of vertebrates, and all these things we have discussed in detail in the previous session. In this session, we are going to answer multiple choice questions and true or false and match the following type of questions of the concept. Scales in the form of skin, casts are shed by. These are shed by snakes and lizards. This is called, I have mentioned while explaining the topic, that occasionally snakes and even lizards too, they shed their skin, and the process of shedding skin is known as molting. I have mentioned in the previous session itself, molting or ecdysis. Calotis versicolor is a house lizard, flying lizard, rock lizard, garden lizard. It is garden lizard. Scientific name of garden lizard is Calotis versicolor. The largest Indian poisonous snake, that is Indian poisonous snake, is among this is not a poisonous snake, and kite. When compared to these three, king cobra will be the largest poisonous snake. Leathery eggs are found in. These are found in birds, amphibians, reptiles and fish. Reptiles, they have leathery eggs. A common wall lizard can climb on a smooth wall because it has. Can we climb a wall with our limbs? No. Only lizards can crawl, they can climb over the wall because of adhesive pads on the fingers. Adhesive pads present on the fingers, they help in adhesion to the attached to the wall surface. They can easily move, they crawl and they climb up the wall. Which of the following has paddle-like limbs? Among these, crocodile, turtle, sea snake, tortoise. Turtles have paddle-like limbs. A bird tongue and Jacob's, a bifid tongue and a Jacob's organ are found in. These are found in both snakes and lizards, both 2 and 3. That is the correct answer. 4 is the correct option. In snakes, the cloaca receives the opening of. Cloaca is the posterior opening of the alimentary canal, and it receives both gut and urinogenital system. Non-poisonous snake among the following is. Non-poisonous snake is cobra, viper, krait, rat snake. Rat snake is the non-poisonous one. The most poisonous snake is, it is among these, just now we have seen that this is the non-poisonous, and even tree snakes, python is also non-poisonous, and these two, it is the Crate is the poisonous snake. Snakes belong to which order? Reptilia, Ophidia, Squamata, Lacertilia. So among these, Reptilia is not an order, it is a class. Squamata, to which the lizards belong. So the Ophidia is the correct answer. Which of the following lizard is limbless and serpent-like? It is Which of the following lizard is limbless and serpent-like? Hemidactylus, Heloderma, Varanus and Ophiosaurus. Ophiosaurus is the limbless serpent-like lizard. Ophio means snake. It resembles snake. Limbless, and it just crawls over the surface, and it has no limbs. Which of the following pair is unmatched for the animals of Reptilia class? Cladoic eggs and constant body temperature. Which of the following pair is unmatched for the animals of Reptilia? Cladoic eggs and constant body temperature. Meroblastic cleavage and lack of metamorphosis. 12 pairs of cranial nerves and rough skin. Skull monocondylic and skin with scales. So, it is the option because they have the cladoic eggs, but the constant body temperature, they do not maintain the constant body temperature. They are poikilothermic animals, or what we call cold-blooded animals. Their body temperature keeps on changing with the surrounding environment. In which of the following tympanum is absent? It is absent in birds, frog, lizard and snake. Tympanum is internal ear part, a part of hearing related structure. It is absent in snake. Saurology is the study of, it is the study of lizards. Saurology is the study of lizards, and study of snakes is called ophiology. Only poisonous lizard of the world is, it is Heloderma, where it is poisonous, only poisonous lizard of the world. Thecodont teeth. Thecodont teeth means like teeth of ours is a kind of this type. That is the tooth sits in the cavity, the depression. So the teeth are said to be thecodont when they are present in a chamber, like a small depression. And four-chambered heart. Four-chambered heart is a feature of mammals and even birds. But while explaining the general characters, we have seen that reptiles have three-chambered, not the completely, we can't say that three-chambered, incompletely divided four-chambered heart. Incompletely divided four-chambered heart. But in case of crocodilia, they have a four-chambered heart where the ventricles completely divide because of the complete formation of the septum, which separates the two ventricles of the heart. That's why it is four-chambered heart. So the answer is crocodilia, where thecodont teeth and a four-chambered heart is seen. A prehensile tail is, as in chameleon, is an adaptation for grasping, that is holding. While it is moving from one branch to another, The prehensile tail helps in grasping. Which one is a reptile? Among these four, turtle is the reptile and remaining three are amphibians. In amphibians and reptiles, the ear is represented by columella oris, membrane-like structure. The class name Reptilia refers to it refers to a creeping or crawling mode of locomotion. It refers to that. Alligator is the member of Reptilia class. And four-chambered heart is characteristic of which poikilotherm? It is the characteristic feature of Crocodilus, which is not a homeotherm. It is a bird, and even Neophron is a bird. Dolphinus is a dolphin. This is not the answer, just I am writing the dolphin. And Testudo, which is a reptile. So these are birds. It is mammal. So from birds onwards, birds and mammals, they have a constant body temperature. But whereas reptiles and amphibia, they do not maintain a constant temperature, but they change their body's temperature according to their environment. So the answer is Testudo. Testudo, which is a reptile, is a homeotherm, which does not maintain body temperature stably, which is not a homeotherm. Homeotherms are the animals which maintain their body temperature as constant. So these two are birds and this one is a mammal. These three are homeotherms. They can maintain their body temperature constant, but this is not like that. So this is the answer. With this, we have finished answering the questions of the concept Reptilia. In the next session, we're going to discuss about the class apes, that is birds.